What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos, and welcome to day one of what I'm hoping to be 30 days in a row of filming every day and uploading every day for you guys for for November here. Just kind of get myself out of a slump that I've been in, and also to help inspire anybody else who may be in a slump right now, and also to try to raise awareness for Movember. That's huge. It's November 1st right now. You guys will see this later on today. Not that bad out, really. There's no snow yet. Skies are blue. It's windy. That's why I'm in the shop right now. We're going to be going over to the car wash with that hood that I fixed yesterday and see how much I can clean it up, and then take it over to the shop there and see, what I have to do to swap it over, the parts over. So we'll get on that. But first, let's check the temp. This isn't going to be a very long video, guys, so check the temp. Yeah, I see it's 50s, so not too bad. We are going to start the video with a cold start of the Tahoe. I've been asked a lot, where's the Tahoe, what am I doing with the Tahoe? There's a video that's going to be coming about the Tahoe pretty soon. Don't worry. So, but it's been in storage, I guess you could say. So, I already hooked the battery up. Now, comment down below. Do you guys want me to do a cold start video sometime with it, like with the phone down by the exhaust? Or do you guys like it like this? Because the exhaust, like I said, it just basically is down by the floor there. So, alright. Hopefully it'll fire up. Oh. Turn the heat off. Hear my pump going, my injectors. Everything's gonna be okay. I love that sound, guys. I love the sound of this thing. I can't rev it too much because we're enclosed in here. I have the fan going, but we're enclosed, and I don't want to carbon myself out and die. That wouldn't be very good, I don't think. It wouldn't be good for the channel. It wouldn't be good for my kids either. So, anyways. Positive. Tahoe fired up. So, but yeah, like I said, I want to try doing this every day of the month, like every day. I can sit on the couch and not upload or do nothing and get in a funk, like everybody can. But I'm gonna try kicking myself in the ass and see where it goes. If you guys like it, we'll just continue to do like a daily vlog or something. We'll see. But my gauge is all kicked in there. You can see you got 351,596.9 kilometers on this rig. So, and yeah, the American flag. It was just one of the ones that was in the files I used for now. I can go through. Let's see. I have like I said, I had other ones, right? See there. Boom. There's my dash. I don't need it. Right. Get pulled over, how fast you were going? No, officer, not at all. So, come on, back to square one. There we go. I like this one. So. Everything seems to be running really good at this truck, considering like there's no tune. What you guys have seen has been what's been done to this truck tune-wise. Like, people want to talk all they want, all the shit they want about Holley. Personally, I'm a huge Holley EFI guy now. I wasn't at first. Like, yeah, in the beginning I was talking shit. Only because of the price, man. This shit's expensive. But I guess you get what you pay for, eh? So, anyways, I'm going to go load that hood up, and I'll see you guys at the car wash. Maybe I should finish my thought before I end the clip. What I meant by the whole what I was talking about stuff, right? Is it is kind of self-tuned itself a bit. Like me and Scotty put in the initial tune when we fired it up, right? And you guys saw the video when we did that. And I have not done anything else. I just let it feel itself out. Did the fuel pressure, but other than that, guys, it's been good. Like I could pull plugs and check it out. Maybe we'll do that in a video. We'll see after all these years just how good it is. but she's got good throttle response. It chugs along nicely. The AFRs, everything just seems to be good. That's really high, but it'll come down as the motor warms up. So anyways, now I'll see you guys at the car wash. Sorry, I gotta learn to start finishing my thoughts, I guess. Alright folks, we're here at the Seldy car wash. Hopefully you guys can hear me through the sound of the furnace and stuff, but we're gonna give her a good rinse off inside and out. I think maybe we'll start with the inside and then we'll work our way to the outside. Let me flip it on the grate there. There, we'll just give it a good one. So then we'll flip it over and we'll do the outside. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright folks, cleaned it up inside and out, sprayed it off. So now I'm gonna let it dry. And we'll go from there. Yeah, oh, I should have sprayed in there a bit. Oh, I can always wipe that out. So there's issues and spots. So not a big deal. It's just when you spray it, shut when the ground flies up at it. So no big deal. Things are all crusty and gross. Like I said, it needs to be all powder coated again. So we'll take care of that. Strip it all down. But now we'll load it up and we'll head over to the garage and we'll look at the other hood and see what where we're gonna start removing stuff. We're gonna see if that front is better, and then we'll make a game plan. So be right back, guys. All right, folks. Now that we got it out in the sun, you can kind of get a better look at it. So I didn't scrub on it or nothing like that. I just hit it with the clean, like the soapy spray, then with some water. So you can see, like, there's spray paint and just there's goop on it. It's not totally dry yet, but it's a lot better than it was. I was looking and I know how to take off the catches, so that's no problem for me to take off and powder coat them. But the problem is, what color do we do them? Do I keep them the gray, like that silver? Or do we do them orange, or do we do them yellow, or do we you know what I mean? Do we do one orange and one yellow just because of the original coloring that's supposed to be for the Skidoo? But other than that, so it's way cleaner than it was. I'm very happy for a couple bucks at the car wash. So I should have done this before I started working on it, but you never know. So anyways, let's go look at that other hood quick here before we end the video. Okay, so this one here, yeah, it's damaged up front here, which we could probably repair now that I have that have the plastic welder. I could probably fix that real good. So have to drill out the rivets, of course. We'll have to take out the light. Oh yeah, it's missing the grill down there too. I like that it's got the logo there. That's what I liked about this hood. But anyways, yeah, we have to take out the light. It's gonna have to go to the other one. Windshield. I don't know about this one. If we can clean the other one up, we'll use the other one. We'll just powder coat it black as well. So the grills are good. Ooh, that one's all dented in. Okay, take the windshield off of it. Yeah, she's gross. Kill switch. Gauges, because they were, at one time, I tried painting them. I think I was probably 15 or something at the time when I was doing that. So that'll have to be cleaned off and stripped down, and made to look good again. I don't know if I might make them the black, right, or if I might paint them as well back to how they were, like that. Because I actually kind of like that, but I might go orange this time. So I don't know, just because of the orange, right? But I don't know. Comment down below. What do you guys think? So let's take the hood off because I want to check that front, and then we'll call her a day. I'm gonna load this hood up in the next video that I'm gonna be making on the Skidoo. We're gonna strip this hood down and transfer everything over to the other one. So I just want to make sure that what we got to work with is all right. Oh, How is this one? Yeah, this one's the same condition. Exactly the same condition, actually. So maybe I'll not use it. Right? So, but for in here, to take the gauges out, as you guys can see, super simple. Super simple. A couple of wing nuts. And then there's a nut back there. And they just come out, and then Bob's your uncle. So, the light, how does that come out? Oh, there's some screws here. Hopefully they're not all fucked up. Sorry for my language, but you know what I mean, folks. Hopefully I can get them out. Is this light broken? Yeah, this light bulb's broken down there. Huh. I should see if I can find the original one for this skidoo. I mean, I gotta have it around here somewhere. Like for this hood, I have to. Because I stripped this hood down to put everything on this one here. So, how is my my windshield? Zip tied? Yes, it's zip ties. I believe, yep. It's just held in with zip ties. Cool. Zip ties through fuel line. I think that's how I did that. Yeah, zip ties through fuel line. Hey, whatever worked, right? So, yeah, these clips here, I might take because they wiggle, but they seem to almost be. Oh, that one's bent. I was gonna say they seem to be better, but no, that one's bent. So, all right. I think I got a game plan now, folks. Is that a hole? That is a hole right there. Huh. Do I have one on the other one? I shouldn't. Nope. So, all right, folks. Well, I'm gonna load this up now, take it home, so I can start getting ready to strip it down for you guys. But that'll be in a future video. I got a big day planned with me and Haley today. I got a whole bunch of stuff, father-daughter stuff that we're gonna do. So that's why I'm gonna cut the video short, and it's just about cleaning up the hood and getting it ready for the parts for the new one. Or not the new one, but to come off the old one. Old new one? That's a weird one because the hood that we fixed is the original one, and this one is the replacement that I'm taking the parts off of. So it's a mind conundrum or whatever. I don't do drugs. I'm just kind of dumb sometimes. Anyways, that's where I'm gonna end it, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow with day 2 of this 30-day get her through, I guess we're gonna call it. This is 30 days of, no matter how I'm feeling in the morning, if I've had a rough night, if I've been, just feeling kind of I'm still gonna get my ass out of bed, and I'm still gonna make a video for you guys. It's gonna get me up and get me motivated. Is what it is. So, anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Take care of others. Make sure, if you know somebody who needs a hand or something, just reach out. Right? You never know. So it could one little tiny 2 seconds you took to reach out could save a life. So, anyways, love you guys. God bless.